We shall always fight for.
Solely, 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 solely.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Over 500 anti-corruption lawyers on Wednesday stormed the office of the Attorney General of the Federation at the Ministry of Justice in Abuja, demanding the immediate probe of Mele Kyari, Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL. In a remarkable show of patriotism, the lawyers, under the aegis of guardians of democracy and rule of law, said they are out to rid the nation of corruption, especially in the oil industry, where Kyari and his allies sold the nation for a piece of porridge. According to the petition, co-signed by Barrister Emmanuel, Agada, and Jonathan Uchendu, the lawyers lamented that Kyari's leadership of the NNPCL was plunged with countless allegations of corruption, which were allegedly made inevitable by the opaque way he ran the organization. The lawyers cited the controversy surrounding the rehabilitation and restreaming of government-owned refineries, where billions of dollars were spent, but the figures of fact do not add up. The petition highlighted case of Metric Energy Limited, which allegedly invested $400 million in rehabilitation of the Port Harcourt refineries, even as the Federal Executive Council had approved $1.5 billion for the repairs of the same facility. The protesting lawyer, however, vowed to continue the agitation until Kyari is brought to justice and the truth about the alleged corruption is uncovered.
Let it be clear to Nigerians and to the men of the media that this movement is not in any way to winch hunt anybody, yes, or any holder of any office. Yes. But we are solely acting on our democratic right to demand for good governance, accountability, and transparency, yes, of office and public holders.
Yes. It is fundamental that as learned people, we keep public office holders accountable. Yeah. They must be in line with the constitutional responsibilities entrusted to them. Yeah. Public office is not a position you will go to and amass frivolous wealth, horrendous resources to intimidate poor people around. Mm-hmm. It is a place where you go and you serve your country. Yes. And that is why we are here today. Billions of dollars have been invested in the NNPCL in different refineries under Mele Kyari, and these monies have not been accounted for. Yes. What we are requesting today is simple. Either we get our monies or we get our refineries. Yeah. And we are not living here until we are properly addressed. Yeah. This is our common patrimony as Nigerians. Yes. And this common patrimony do not belong to Mele Kyari and his people. It doesn't belong to him and his cronies. It doesn't belong to friends and family. It belongs to the people of Nigeria. Yes. Every day he comes with different dates of launching refineries. When these refineries are launched, within 2 weeks, no activity is ongoing. This fraud and scam is unacceptable. Yeah. Nigerians are beginning to ask questions. While we appreciate the president, a pragmatic and practical leader, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his efforts, which has resulted to the sack of this man for corruption allegations. What we are asking for is that it goes beyond just sacking him. Yeah. Let there be prosecution. Yeah. Let there be arrests. Yeah. Let there be inquiries. Yeah. Let Nigerians want to know, after sacking him, what happens to his days in office. Yeah. While we are not accusing him, we are saying he should come clean and address this allegation. Yeah. That is what we are asking for. And it is very simple. Nigerians are behind us. And we have come here peacefully as people who hold the conscience of this society, as lawyers who will demand for justice. And that is what we are doing today. Thank you very much.
The lawyers demanded that the AGF review all agreements entered into by the NNPCL under Kyari's administration, launching a fact-finding investigation into the questionable transactions, and institute a commission of inquiry into the NNPCL's handling of the refineries repair under Kyari. A deputy director of the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, Winifred Adekunle, who received the petition, promised to deliver it to the Justice Minister and assured him that prompt actions will be taken.
We have put you in that seat to work on our behalf. Yes. And when we have called for you to be transparent enough, it is not difficult but for you to just come out and do the needful. Yeah. You have looted so much. We're talking about 1.5 billion, 400 in millions and in dollars. We need transparency. Yeah. We need accountability. Yeah. Come out and tell us what you have used the money for, and that's all we ask for. Yes. We're not here to make trouble, but we want the truth. Yes. Tell us the truth about our money. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
It is within the right
of Nigerians to hold persons accountable who are in charge of public offices, who are put in public offices to perform duties related to the welfare of public offices, Nigerian citizens. Now, the NNPCL is a government agency which is in charge to the money. Look at the amount of money that has been invested in the Port Harcourt refinery, and we do not accept such kind of frivolous and unimaginable way of spending public fund. It is totally unacceptable, and we hereby hold him accountable, that he should come and hold his office accountable. Thank you.
Once you have that done, there will be response, and whatever question you have asked will be addressed appropriately. So please be assured that the Attorney General and the Solicitor General are people that you can rely on. Whatever thing you have asked for will be addressed. So please don't be dismayed. The response, I think there is an address and the regular telephone number that can be reached.
Yes.
Once that is done, you'll be assured.
Thank you so much.